Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today's video is an exciting one. I'll be demonstrating and reviewing the new Pattern Beauty hair care line created by our good sis, Tracee Ellis Ross. If you guys don't know her, look her up. If you guys are interested in watching this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and continue watching and stop playing games. I wanted to start out by saying the products are a little bit pricey, which is why I decided to purchase the on the go kit for me to try beforehand without fully committing and breaking the bank. The prices start out at $9 and can go up to $42 depending on what you end up buying. There are accessories that you can purchase along with that, such as clips and the microfiber towel and the like shower brush, but I didn't feel that was necessary, so I just got the three things that I needed to do my hair, which are the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner. The travel sizes are $9. The regular 13 ounce is 25, and then they do offer a 29 ounce for $42. So you can pick your poison and choose whichever one you want. However, I just chose to go with the travel sizes just to try it, which I am not mad at. I absolutely love the smell of the shampoo. I felt like it really cleansed my hair and it was super hydrating. And then while I was using this thick ass conditioner, like when I tell you that conditioner was so thick, but I mean, I guess it's necessary, which I don't really mind because I'm washing it out anyways. It's not something that has to sit on my hair for long. And I really did feel like this conditioner was super hydrating and it smelled awesome. Like the way that it smelled, I was like, oh, I cannot. And it made my detangling process so much easier. When I detangle, I also like to make sure that I'm working in smaller sections, so I'll end up parting my hair in four. That way it's easier to detangle and I'm not frustrated trying to rip my hair out. So work in small sections. I promise it'll be a game changer. It'll definitely help. It also does, at least for me, help to define my curls a little bit more. I feel like when I comb out my hair properly and it's nice and detangled, my curls are that much more popping. So continue to do that. And I felt like these products definitely helped with that process. Like, look at these curls, sis. Look at these curls. So I've got zero bad things to say about this leave-in conditioner. I thought it was hella hydrating, okay? Like, my curls were juicy, okay? Once I put my hair in them braids, juicy. Okay? Okay? The only thing I will say about this is the fact that I really wanted a styling cream. I didn't want to just use leave-in conditioner as my styling cream. I don't know, I just felt kind of incomplete by doing so, but do y'all see the shine, okay? Like, the shine is impeccable. Okay, the definition of these curls, fire. I don't know how many times I have to stress this, but like, I absolutely enjoyed using these products. So don't think that just because, it's a new line, it's made by someone very well known, that it's just hype, because it's not. Like, these products are actually bomb AF. Do y'all see that? Like, y'all are witnessing the greatness here. It's not like I'm lying or anything. Like, this is real life here. This is not a drill. Okay? Like, once my braids are dry, you can see how juicy they are. Like, let me show you. Like I said, juicy, okay? Do you see the elasticity in my hair, the plumpness of these braids, like the shininess of it? I didn't even put oil in my hair yet, guys. Like, when I'm telling you guys, I absolutely was shook to the core when I took my hair out, okay? So I'm just going to use a little bit of wild growth hair oil just to moisturize my fingertips and create less frizz while I take down my hair. That is another pro tip, I guess you can say, for whenever you're taking out your hair. Make sure to moisturize your fingertips because that'll just help cut down on any of the frizz that might be created. Because frizz is just a natural thing, so it is going to happen. I actually don't mind a little bit of frizz, but too much of anything, I guess, is an issue. But as you can see, I'm happy, happy, happy with the definition that I got from just using the leave-in conditioner as a styling cream. I feel like for a lot of naturals, they tend to not do this part in styling their hair, which is fine. To each is their own. However, if you are someone that loves the volume and just loves big hair, you can achieve that by picking your hair out and manipulating it. Obviously, be careful because, again, frizz, that's something we're trying to avoid. So use the pick and just tease the root. I'm just trying to make it so that it doesn't look like I have any parts in my hair, which I completely failed at doing because I can't see the back of my hair, but that's cool. It's whatever. Um, but to be honest, I truly, truly loved these products. It made my hair feel super moisturized and hydrated, and the smell was awesome. I enjoyed using these products, and I definitely would recommend you guys going out and at least getting the on the go kit like I did, just so that you can try it. I feel like having the package and the whole experience is nice without having to break the bank. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like it, like I said, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.